Have you been feeling less enthusiastic in your relationships and noticing your sleep quality getting worse lately? What if there was a natural routine, not medication, that could help restore your energy, zest for life, and let you sleep soundly every night? Hi, I'm Julia. In this video, I'll share an easy and natural way to tackle insomnia that often makes your days feel heavy and slowly drains your enthusiasm. If you've tried various solutions but still struggle to sleep well, don't miss this video. In the next 3 minutes, you'll discover a simple routine, possibly one you haven't heard of before, that can start restoring your vitality. Many men over 60 experience this in silence. Poor sleep isn't just about not spending enough time in bed. It's about the disruption of the body's natural recovery system. When sleep is disturbed, the production of important hormones like testosterone is also hindered. Testosterone is key not just for energy and focus, but also for sexual drive, confidence, and emotional stability. A body that doesn't get quality sleep will consistently experience a drop in hormones, especially if sleep issues persist for months. As a result, libido weakens, sexual response slows, and intimate relationships can feel dull or even avoided. This isn't just a physical issue. It touches on psychological aspects, self-confidence, and even harmony with your partner. Your sympathetic nervous system gets disrupted too, keeping your body in a state of alertness instead of relaxation. This triggers chronic stress, further straining your hormonal system. The outcome? Daily vitality plummets, enthusiasm wanes, and gradually, your motivation for life fades away. If you wake up every morning feeling weak, unfocused, and unmotivated, it might not just be because of age. It could be because your sleep hasn't been providing the restorative function your body desperately needs. So, is there a quick solution you can try tonight? One natural and practical routine is making a banana and chocolate smoothie, then enjoying it with a small handful of almonds before bed. Just take a ripe banana, add a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, and mix it with about 200 milliliters of low-fat milk. If you like it sweet, you can add a bit of honey. Blend everything until smooth, and drink it about an hour before bed with some almonds on the side. Why is this combo so effective? Bananas and chocolate contain magnesium, a mineral that helps relax muscles and stimulates natural drowsiness. Meanwhile, almonds contain melatonin, a hormone that plays a role in regulating your sleep rhythm. Many people report that after trying this routine, they sleep more soundly and wake up feeling more refreshed. You can try it yourself tonight. But let's be honest, many older men still rely on sleeping pills to get through the night. While they work fast, long-term use comes with risks, from decreased sexual desire and increased heart problems to dependency that makes it harder to sleep without them. You might even wake up feeling more tired and empty. That's why natural alternatives like ashwagandha are gaining attention. Ashwagandha is an herbal plant known in Ayurvedic medicine and has been used for thousands of years. Some early studies, like one published in the Curious Journal in 2020, show that taking 300 milligrams daily for 8 to 16 weeks can help improve sleep quality, reduce stress, and boost vitality. Of course, results can vary from person to person. So, it's highly recommended to consult a doctor before starting any supplement, including herbal ones. If you're interested in trying it, ashwagandha is usually available in easy-to-take capsule form, and the best time to take it is about 30 minutes before bed. Many users report positive effects, sleeping more peacefully, improved mood, and feeling more emotionally stable, without significant side effects. However, if you're looking for a long-term solution that truly reshapes sleep habits, the most scientifically tested approach so far is CBT-I, or cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia. CBT-I isn't just regular consultation or therapy. It's a retraining of sleep habits, focusing on developing healthy sleep patterns and eliminating habits that have been worsening insomnia. One technique is known as stimulus control, which involves reserving the bed strictly for sleep, not for watching TV or using your phone. You'll also learn about the sleep window, going to bed only when truly sleepy and waking up at the same time every day, even if you didn't sleep well the night before. This method also includes relaxation techniques and managing negative thoughts that often arise before sleep. CBT-I has helped many older men overcome chronic insomnia, even after years of sleep issues. Take Mr. Robert, for example, age 68. After 3 weeks of consistently following the CBT-I program, he reported deeper sleep, fewer wake-ups, and feeling more energized in the morning. He even feels as lively as he did in his 50s. This isn't just promotional talk. It's based on real clinical results. Quality sleep and renewed vitality are no longer just dreams for those over 60. With a simple nighttime routine like a banana chocolate almond smoothie, supported by natural herbs like ashwagandha and a scientific approach like CBT-I, you have 3 real options to start tonight. Imagine sleeping soundly every night, waking up with a smile and feeling whole again. Start with a small step. Try the smoothie tonight. Consider ashwagandha if it suits you. And if you're serious about a comprehensive change, learn more about CBT-I and practice it consistently. Have you tried any of these methods? Share your experience in the comments. And if you want more healthy strategies for older men, watch our next video. Stay healthy, stay motivated.